We're going to quickly learn how to check to see if a light bulb for the license plate is working or not. As you can see, right now these light bulbs are not working. I have the tail lights on, but the light bulbs for the license plates are out. There are two possibilities of why these license plate lights are not on. One possibility is that they're both burnt out, and it's kind of weird that they'd both go out, but you never know. And the other possibility is that there's no power getting to these two lights. So what I'm going to do to check it is use an ohm meter, which is one of these, a voltmeter, ohm meter, and I'm going to go take the light bulb out and make sure that both light bulbs are still good. And if they are both still good, then I'm going to take the voltmeter and stick it in the sockets and see if we have a current going through here. So we're going to go behind the bumper here and get to the light. So here's one. So here's the license plate. Here's the light. So what you do is you twist it and you pull it out. Okay? And I could actually see that this bulb is burnt out because it's black. But we will test it with the ohm meter so you can see how it works. So I pulled both light bulbs out, and you can see they're both black. You should be able to see through these. They're supposed to be clear. So they're obviously shot, but you can't always tell that they're shot just by looking at them. Sometimes they're clear and they're still not good, and you can't even tell because the filament looks like it's attached. So we're going to use this voltmeter to see if these are shot, which we already know they're shot, but I'm going to show you how to do it. So you take the voltmeter and you put it to try to find continuity, so a complete circuit. So this number will change when there's a complete circuit. So I'm going to complete the circuit by touching these two together. See how the number changes? That means there's a complete circuit. So what I want to do is stick, you can see the numbers here. I want to stick, see how close I can get. There's a metal ground here on this side. There's a metal ground here on that side. Right there. And that should complete the circuit, and it doesn't. So now to make sure that's good. Good. So these bulbs are shot. Time to get new bulbs. So just for you guys who have light bulbs that do work and you want to see if you have power, put the car into the put the lights onto your headlights. We're gonna switch the lights on. You could even put the daytime running lights on. You can see there's one on each piece of metal that connects the bulb. And then what you're gonna do is, here's the voltmeter, and you have it set to 12 volts or 20 volts, depends what your voltmeter has. 20 volts is the next biggest up, so you want a number bigger than your battery, which is 12 volts. And you look and you can see there's a constant 11.23 volts going through our system, so we know that there is power to this. So it's our light bulbs.